Dr. Melissa here at Life Chiropractic. We're doing a series on skiing and snowboarding, so stay tuned for videos on how to prep with some exercises and some post-skiing stretches. But we wanted to talk about just the weekend warrior getaway risks and how you might prevent it. When we take these trips for skiing or snowboarding, it also happens in the spring when we're gardening or doing a lawn project. We're doing something that our body isn't used to doing, and we're doing it in a very intensive way over a short amount of time. So it often involves packing a bag, traveling, maybe sitting in a car, or being on an airplane, sleeping in beds we're not familiar with. We're out of our routines of normal exercise and stretching and self-care. So oftentimes this can lead to injuries or soreness. What I recommend always is getting adjusted before or after, doing some exercises that prep your body for that intensive work, and having some good self-care practices afterwards, like heating, like stretching, like icing, nutrition, make sure you get some good sleep, or just understand that you're putting your body at risk, so you're doing the preparatory work before, and that you've got some good self-care practices set up for you on your way back when you return. Hope that's helpful and that you get to enjoy your good winter sports.